got clips and kicks.
What's up, guys? Clips and Kicks back at it again. I'm gonna let this guy do the intro since this is most of his stuff, or all of his stuff.
Most of my stuff?
It is.
Nah, it is. Well, what's up, guys? It's your boy King Rio the Barber, aka Lord King Rio, aka Mr. Royalty Kicks. Yeah,
Royalty Kicks. Yeah, you got.
Yeah,
this guy always forgets his names.
But I never said Mr. Royalty Kicks before, but
I like it. It's
yeah,
cool.
I like
it goes with it.
Yeah. And we got your boy
Freddie Scissorhands, aka Freddie Clips.
Yes, sir.
Named by this guy.
Back again with a new video. So, as you can see, we have the compressor right here. And as you can see over here to my left, you can see some new limited edition. What are they?
The Patty Cuts.
Alright.
FX trimmers by Babyliss.
So,
He didn't know much about them, I don't think, because
nah.
so we have a guy who comes in the shop, sells us clippers.
Yeah.
We actually got a couple of them. They all compete, you know.
Try to give us the best prices,
deal.
you know, like the plug.
So this guy pulled up real quick. He's running in the shop holding the trimmer, and I'm like, oh, he's got the Patty Cuts. I had just watched the Matt Gifted Hands video actually, where he got it from like Cosmo or something, and he explained in it that it practically comes zero gapped.
Yeah.
You know, like they hit right out the box. So I told him that. He's like, should I get him? I'm like, yeah. He's like, all right, I'm gonna get him.
Yeah.
So he got them, and they did hit right out the box.
Straight out the
actually,
box.
they were too sharp for one of his clients.
Yeah, straight out the box though, they some hitters, man. And like I said, I haven't really adjusted. I ain't touched them. I was like, you know, I'm gonna just leave them the way they are, cause like I said, the Go Babyliss, you know, trimmers. I said those was probably one of my best favorite clippers that's ever came out. And now, you know, they got a green one which matches my, you know, power mat. So, and it also matches this, you know, air compressor. So speaking of that, you know, this episode we're gonna be talking about the new power mats that just dropped, bro.
Well, they've been out, but they're kind of like every once in a while they'll be like, hey,
yo,
and
so
drop them.
We're probably gonna have a picture, you know, showing what the old ones look like. But most of them they come with, you know, like the adapters where you can plug in. So let's just, for instance, you know,
Well, they don't actually come with the adapters. You have to buy them separate.
yeah, you gotta buy them separate. Well, it comes with one.
It comes with one mat that's already attached to it. I don't
okay.
even think it comes with a clip though.
Gotcha. You know, I had to bring out the, you know, special edition Kobe clippers. Shout out B Clark.
So we got a new lens.
We got a new lens. So
I'm gonna do an up close. The up close wouldn't happen in the video he did with Jack.
So now, like I said, right here you have the adapters. They're so separate. So this one goes for the wall/seniors. It just pops on right here.
Does that one not go on because it's custom?
This might.
Bro, that's the wrong one, dude.
Which one is this one?
Is that the one? Hold up.
Nah, that's the
I think
right
that's the
one.
same
Let me see. Let's hope this fits. It
What
might
is
not.
going on here?
Let me see. Damn.
Hold up. Let me see these clippers. What could that? No, that's for the seniors, no?
Yeah, it is the seniors because it was.
Oh, there's a different one for the 1990.
No, bro.
No?
Look, go.
What?
We'll be back.
Well,
Go get the 1990s.
intermission.
Oh no, that's it, bro. You just gotta put it on.
What the hell were you doing?
Bro, look. Guys.
Yo, what was the problem here?
Bro.
The hell were you doing?
We don't even know what happened. Technical difficulties, but.
Well, we got these.
He went to go get these.
Let me see.
Because we thought this was custom and wouldn't fit on this, so.
Didn't look like he changed shape.
Nah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm like, why wouldn't it fit?
Dude, what were you doing?
I don't know. And you tried, you like these not the
No,
right
I didn't.
ones,
No, I didn't get to try.
Alright, what was that? So. these turn on. I don't know if you guys seen it in the last video, but you know. So
I think you should.
I hold these. Open up that box right there, man. We gotta introduce the trimmers. We gonna get into this, you know, just in a little bit. But you see what's going on. We got a surprise for you. You might know what it is already, but you don't know the color.
It's the color we all want.
Yes, sir. So bringing out the trimmers, we gotta get into detail with these, man. You can't just, you know, just talk about it. You gotta show them what they look like. And the other ones come without a grip, you know. Yeah. So this one,
as far as I know, he wanted these very custom.
Yeah.
Which
my boy, awesome. Shout out Damon Tucker, aka TC Cuts. You know, he got the purple ones. Those is fire. And I told him, I sent him a picture of the green ones. So
there's purple ones?
Yeah, they got some purple ones, bro.
Oh, from?
I don't know if it's a different person, but they got some purple ones too.
Like is it for stock or is it custom effects app?
It's the same. This one, like you know how this one's the green one, they have a purple one as well.
So it is. That's sick.
It might
and
be
it has a grip on it.
Yeah, it might be under somebody else's name.
Oh, I gotta see. I'm slacking now. I gotta check that out.
I gotta put them on, man.
But yeah, so this has the what is it? The diamond like carbon blade on here, 2.0, and sorry about that. Has the grip, which he mentioned already, which I think that's a cool feature.
Yeah, that's probably the best feature.
Everyone,
when you first got them, they like you didn't know how to hold them, bro. And then when you had them like this. And then they was like ready to slip out your hand.
Oh damn, this is pretty good.
So now compared to, you know.
And everyone, when they first get the gold ones or the silver ones, what do? They buy the 3-pack of the Babyliss. So and it only comes with that little one anyway. Little piece, so
it's not really much of a difference maker. As in this one, it has a whole grip for the trimmer. So I like it already. I like the matte green color. It just reminds me of the Hulk. So, and it kind of matches this and went with the whole like station vibe because the matte got green, the 245 colors. So, all played hand in hand. That's why I got the green ones, but
so
it's dope.
Yeah, so it has a does have a deep tooth blade on here, which I wasn't a fan of the regular graphite 2.0 blade. I normally am a fan of deep tooth trimmer blades, but that one I couldn't really get to hit like the gold ones. Then I bought the graphite regular standard tooth blade, and that one hits even better than the gold one. And
you think?
100%. You
better than gold ones, bro.
Yeah, bro. You saw what Evan was saying. You ain't say that about his or your gold trimmers. Trust me. The gold trimmers are awesome. But trust me, the regular graphite blade. Go on YouTube. You'll see all the people with these trimmers throw that blade on theirs. So this, I guess, is like a fusion between the two. He still did the deep tooth blade, but added the diamond carbon style blade to it, which I guess something about the material makes it, hit more. Did it pull it all? When you use them? I haven't used these yet. I gotta use them.
Fire. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And then we have another review on some other trimmers we're gonna do. Probably the new comparison. So the Gammas, we'll probably do a comparison video between those two. We
have the Evo trimmers, the magnetic.
So we'll probably do a comparison video in the next video, or whichever. Just know that one's coming soon.
We'll let you know how we felt about that one.
So, since
man, I gotta read them the features, bro.
Oh yeah, alright, fine.
Come on, we gotta let them know.
I know. This is such a surprise, bro.
I know, but we can't slack.
We can't slack. Alright.
Alright, so
get in the detail.
We got the 360 exposed T-blade, which all of them have. Nothing new. It's a classic skeleton style. You can get around the mustache, all that good stuff. High torque brushless engine, which is 7,200. Sorry, 7,200 RPM. You can do like clipper over cone with these things. It's crazy. All metal housing, lithium ion battery, 2-hour runtime. I believe the other ones are the same. Hang hood, cordless, obviously, dual voltage. So it seems like the main new features on here are the DLC 2.0 blade, the grip, and that they just come hit. Like these things, I'm looking at these. He said he didn't touch them afterwards. He didn't readjust them. These things are close.
Yeah, those is fire, bro.
Yeah, I gotta give them a try. So,
get the purple
shout out Patty Cuts. I gotta look at them. I might get those purple ones.
Right. Well, if anything, I might get the purple ones too to match.
Yeah, I'll take these.
I don't know. Nah, I might get both, but we'll see.
Alright,
guys.
Alright, now on to what everyone's been waiting for and what this guy's so excited over.
Like I said, I gotta get both because I got my station here. And I'm waiting, working on the station from the crib, So since I got a red barber chair at the crib.
Oh, you're already giving sneaks.
Hey man,
giving away hints.
I gotta open this box up, man.
Dang, he didn't even open it. He had this thing for like a month waiting to do a video.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie to you.
We've been busy.
This box been here for a month. Straight out the delivery package, bro. I waited for you guys, so you guys should be thankful. All right, let's see. My boy, Fred gave me this lifetime,
pocket knife.
If I got stuck in the car in an accident, whatever. He was gonna take care of me. I stole it, and then I was like,
bro. Steal it, then I'm like,
bro, you got another one, bro.
No, I wasn't buying it. No.
Alright, guys, this clutch. It comes with scissors. Alright, man, let's throw the
Oh, there you go. He was trying to steal my 245 sticker.
I got my own. I don't think this came with my last one, but
no, it didn't come with mine either. That's dope.
245. So the original power mat comes in this color right here, right? That's the one I have at my station.
And
this one. You guys ready? Let's move this out the way. There's too much stuff. You wanna
get rid of that? Yeah.
All right, guys.
Oh, that already.
I tried.
I don't know if you guys are ready for this.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to clean it more though. You're gonna see the hair.
Yeah, man. This is crazy. Alright guys, you definitely gotta see this. This is crazy, man. Gosh. This power mat, damn, this power mat is heavy. I gotta take it out the pack right here. I definitely gotta take it out the pack. This is the first time I'm ever bringing this out, bro. You guys got to see it first. Comes with the instructions of what to do, but
damn, that was clean.
Damn, bro. This is fire. 245. Shout out to you. They came in different colors. I got the red one. I believe there's green, purple, blue, and orange.
Pink?
No, orange.
Oh, it's the Babyliss color.
Yeah, so orange. So this is what my home station mat is going to be. And it comes, well, separately you have to buy the charging mat, but it comes with one already, which is this one right here. And then you got to buy these separate. But it's mad convenient. I promise you, you have it. You won't have to worry about charging your trimmers or clippers all the time. You just put it right there laying down on your station and it's charged. So let's just say, for instance, this is the trimmer. That's why I got it, because it matches this. So if I was to put the trimmer, you have it plugged in right here while it's charging on the power mat, and then you'll have 3 other slots. And then this one right here goes with this compressor. So this is strictly for the compressor.
Or phone.
Or your phone, actually, too. So, clutch. You know what I mean? So, Barbers, if you need your phone charged in the meantime, you can put it right here. Sometimes you can actually put it on this one once, but you have to, like, angle your phone a little bit better. But it also works, but this color is dope, bro.
I know.
I'm not even gonna lie.
This is the one I originally did want.
Yeah, but they had sold out quick. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
The black ones went on sale. I had to get it. It was Black Friday.
So this right here, you guys, drop a comment. Tell me what you think, cause this is fire, literally, red fire. And what else, man? Oh yeah, so. This is the other one, just the other adapter it comes with separately for just for the seniors. You can also go right here, right here, right here. So guys, invest in yourself. You're a barber. Invest in your craft. Charging mat is what, like $100?
It's $100. We got it on sale on Black Friday for $70.
So we got the deal.
You get this for $100?
This one I paid $100.
That's still awesome, bro.
It's still good, bro. It's convenient, but you gotta buy the charging mat separate. What those is $40, these is $40. But guess what? You don't have to get it right off the bat. Over
Get
time,
one, get two.
Add it up. You know, over time you'll be all right.
You make this in one day at a shop. You know,
That's what I'm saying. And even these, like each week you could just buy a new one. You know, and then by the end of the month, you'll probably have every single piece. You know, for your charging mat. And I'm telling you, this is a best investment. It saves time, you know.
A lot of time.
You won't have to pick up your cord off the floor or anything. You just take your clipper, lay it down, and pick it back up when you're ready to use it.
And even if you have 2 clippers of the same clipper and only have one dock, you just, once the one charges, pop it up, put on, and then
change it up. And then the best part I like about this too, like the mat keeps you organized. If you're not an organized barber, it's good to be organized in the barbershop because clients pay attention to that. So
what Abazio said, you don't want to be known as the dirty barber.
Yeah, you don't.
This is the last thing you want to be known as.
This keeps you organized, you know what I mean? So even at the bottom, I normally keep, what do I have? I'll tell you exactly what I have on my other one. Right here, I have a razor, my square, and then I have, what else? My steel blades, and then my master's clippers, and then my half guard, and then my 1.5 guard for my walls. And then right here I have trimmers lined up with my shaver, and then right here I have the power mat, you know, that goes right there. So you guys you'll see it, you know. Everybody has their own preference. His station looks completely different than mine, but we'll take a picture and post it so you guys can see the difference. But it keeps you organized, bro. Like, no jokes. So guys, invest in yourself. Your barbers, even you young barbers, you know, you're just getting into the shop. Work your way into this, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna pay off. Invest in yourself. This is your craft. That's why we always gonna be getting the newest trimmers just to stay on top of the game, you know? So
you already know it.
That's it. Stay tuned, guys. Videos is dropping soon.
Every week. Every Tuesday.
Consistent every Tuesday, man. Follow, subscribe, and we're out of here.
Flips and kicks.